On the workbench today, one broken, pitiful, sad Arrma Typhon. There's somebody in my family, that guy who, I got you eating Dippin' Dots, or no, what are those things?
Fun dips.
Some level of sugar, condensed sugar is what you're eating. That's all it is. So that guy had this out at the skate park. We had really fun with it, and then he had to do that one more jump. Came down just wrong, as you can see from the scrapes on here. Came down on these on the shock tower a couple times, and the last one snapped it off. So here we are, the replacement Arrma part. Gonna slap it on there and get this thing all back to new. Follow along, and we'll show you how we do it. There we go, as simple as that. One fixed Arrma Typhon. So, front shocks are all back together, everything's there, nice and strong, ready to go out and bash and blast some more. So, let me know down below, was this helpful? Is this exactly what you needed? You probably broke one of these also. Should be a very similar process on the Granite, Senton, also maybe even the Big Rock. So if you have any of those, let me know down below. Was this helpful? I always like to hear that feedback if this was good or not. Thank you for watching. Come over, check out some of our other videos. We will have more content, more stuff, always in the works and always coming. Thank you. Goodbye.